Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda HR-V. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure optimal visibility and reach. Locate the engine start/stop button, usually near the steering column, and familiarize yourself with the electronic parking brake. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Now, let's cover the basics of driving. The HR-V's gear selector typically has positions for park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport mode. Engage the brake pedal, then press the start button. Shift into drive, release the parking brake, and gently press the accelerator. Practice smooth braking and steering to get a feel for the vehicle's response. The Honda HR-V comes equipped with many helpful features. Take time to explore the infotainment system for navigation, audio, and connectivity options. Familiarize yourself with Honda sensing safety features, such as the lane keeping assist system and adaptive cruise control, which enhance your driving safety and comfort. These systems are designed to assist, not replace, attentive driving. Finally, let's talk about parking and vehicle care. Practice various parking techniques, including parallel and perpendicular parking, to build confidence. Regularly check your tire pressure and fluid levels to ensure your HR-V runs efficiently and safely. And hey, for keeping your home as clean as your car, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.